So here is the luggage that I'm going to be using for this trip. It's just the actual luggage. This is not what I normally use for my hands-on carry-on when I'm flying, but this time around I'm going to be driving. My oldest son is done with high school, so he's moving to the next level of his life. May the Lord go with him. So I'm going to be taking him, and this is just a 2-day or 3 days trip, so I don't really need much. I just need things that are very, very comfortable because I'm going to be walking around and make sure it's settled down before I move back. So everything I'm going to be packing are very, very comfortable outfits, shoes, because I'm going to be doing a lot of walking around. I want to make sure it's comfortable, it's settled down before I move back to my own state. Is starting a new life in another state. All right, and these are my business underwears. So I already put them. This is what I do with all this package. Whenever I buy something from Shein or I receive a PR package, most times I don't throw these things away. I keep them so that I can use them to do my storage thing when going on a trip like this, a short trip. So I'm going to keep my underwears right there. For my outfits, I'm going to be doing red, white and black because I know I can mix and match these outfits. These are 2 sets, red. So I'm going to be putting that right there. This is a white short and a white t-shirt with a black strap design on it. This is a black pants with a red shirt. I can do a lot of mix and match with these 3 outfits. I know I am good to go. And for my sleepwear, I'm going to be doing these 2 sets that I purchased on Temu a while ago. And it came with a belt. I'm going to be taking this brand along. I have 2 of their bonnets with me. I'm not even sure which one I'm going to be taking along, so for that reason I'm just going to take the 2 and I'm going to tell you more about this brand. I want to use this time to say thank you to Yanni Best for collaborating with me on this video. Next, it's going to be my jewelry, which I already packed them in here. I only have a silver, gold, small bracelets and small earrings, things I feel like they're going to go with my outfit and complement the look. Very simple and casual look that I'm going to be going for. I'm sure I made mention that I'm going to be doing a lot of walking around, so I'm going with this. Is white. I picked another one which is gold, and I have a silver one right here. So these are all the shoes I'm going to go with. They're all flat and I know I'm going to be very comfortable in them because I'm going to be walking all around. And here is the duffel bag that I'm going to be using to put my toiletries and my makeup. I just came back from a trip, so I still have those packed, so I don't have to worry. I'm just going to be dumping them right here.
Kanske var det meningen att jag skulle fastna här ikväll. Måste ut, måste bort, ta mig härifrån. När du såg mig under ljusen, du startade en eld i mig och visade en väg ut. Lämnar över all kontroll, jag gillar hur du rör mig nu. Flyter vi något som jag drömde om och sagt förut. Vill inte höra maybe, baby, det är dags att ta beslut. Yes, sweet like candy, så tacksam att du fann mig. Mitt hjärta håller space.
Hi guys, thank you all so much. I appreciate you all for clicking on this video. Thank you all so much. I'm so tired. I'm just making this intro at the beginning of this video. I just finished driving. Like I drove 11 hours and now I'm really tired. You can see it in my eyes, like super tired. But I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hands because I'm really hungry, and wash my hands and eat my dinner first, then I'll come and shower and calm down. My son is in the other room talking to his friends on the phone. He's excited to start his new life. He just graduated, he's finished high school, so he's moving to the next stage, you understand. So I'm in the States where he's going to be going to the school, and I brought him for the weekend, so I'm going to help him to get settled in the house where he's going to be staying at. I'm going to go look at the place I already saw the picture and all that. But ladies, I'm tired. I'm so tired. Let me just go ahead and I will catch up with you ladies. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much. Yanni Best Satin Bonnet are buttery soft bonnets with silk satin covering. It will help to prevent frictions to your hair, lock in hair moisture, reduces hair frizz and loss. And you all know when all these are actualized, automatically it will promote your hair growth. So I will recommend that you ladies look into their bonnet because they are buttery soft. You all can see that the bonnet is very large. Even the band that they made with it is large enough to hold in place while you sleep. It didn't fall off when I woke up. Everything stayed in place. Also, I was not sweating with it because they are made with satin and they are buttery soft. I just like to use that word because they are buttery soft, ladies. All right, and another thing I can tell you is that it's not tight. The bonnet is not tight, so there's nothing like you're going to have headache when you wake up. The second one, which is the chocolate one, I really love that. Whenever you have extension on or braids that are very long up onto your waistline, this will fit into it. You all can see that I have my extension, but it's not up to my I had my hair cornrow all the way back, and it's kind of long, but it's not all the way to my waist. But you can see that even the shorts, the pink one, fits perfectly. Likewise, the long one fit perfectly. This one is self tie. You have to tie it. The chocolate one, you have to tie it, but it's buttery soft and very, very comfortable. I actually slept in that one, and I woke up, everything was in place. It didn't fall off my head. It was not tight, even if it's self tight, because it has a band on it. Then you have to tie it as well. I didn't feel any kind of headache. This will prevent frictions from your pillow with your hair, so you woke up like that looking shine bright and radiant. Ladies, please check out Yanni Best. They're also into fashion hats that are lined with satin. They have satin pillowcases, they have kids bonnets, also they have hair accessories. Please check them out. I'll put the link to their website in my description box. Thank you all ladies so much for watching. Hi ladies, good morning once again. I know I didn't say good morning before. This is after I've taken my done my shower, brush and all that good stuff. I've cleaned up. Bottom line, so I've done my makeup very light. I have no false lashes on. I'm going to be popping a wig on in a few. I just wanted to show you how you can create lots of look from just 3 outfits that I brought with me on this trip. Ladies, please excuse my choice of shoes. These are the shoes that will work for me. They are flats that they will work for me to serve the purpose of me coming to this city, because I'm going to be doing a lot of walking around. You can use any choice of shoes to uplift this look. The main purpose is to show you that you can create so many look from just these 3 outfits. I hope you ladies will enjoy watching this. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Enjoy, ladies.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say.
So ladies, did you count how many ways I styled these 3 outfits I took along just for the weekend? You take shoes that you feel will work for you along, that will match your outfits. You see the sandal, all the sandal I took along, they fit perfectly into this outfit. And my glasses elevated the look. Even though I look casual, it still look very chic and stylish and very relaxed too. Check out Yanni's Best website for their soft buttery bonnets. They have other accessories on their website as well. Please check them out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, remain blessed. Bye.